Hi, I'm George Del Barrio, your digital partner from Orvis Victus International. Our company, one of our division, Orvis Victus International. Most in demand, digital income protection. Open ito sa lahat ng Pilipino kahit saan ka mang bansa. Paperless application, online processing, and easy mode of claims. Online na rin ang pag-claim. What is our insurance? Ano ba yung insurance na to? Accident-related, all minor and major accident, covered natin. Term coverage, one-time payment, covered ka na for 1 year. Forfeited na ito pagkatapos ng 1 taon. Optional to renew, kung gusto mo ma-covered for another year. Avail lang ng coverage ulit. Our insurance is motorcycle related. Covered na rin natin ang mga motorista. Insurable age po natin is 16 to 65 years old. And ang beneficiary age, kahit anong edad, pwede. In partnership with this billion peso company, our insurance provider is Stronghold Insurance Company. Trusted insurance provider din siya ng LTO, SMBC, Toyota Motors, PLDT, Philinvest, at marami pang iba. More than 64 years na sa industry ng insurance ang Stronghold. At isa pang partner natin is ang Union Bank, one of the leading companies of banking and finance. Sigurado, secure ang finances natin. Si Union Bank ay 42 years na nag-ooperate. Company address. Saan nga ba located ang company natin? Our head office located at AIC Bargande Tower, Ortigas Center, Pasig at the back of Robinson's Galleria. We also have the local branches. Meron tayo dito sa Manila, meron tayo pa Calao, and Las Piñas. Luzon naman, Tuguegarao, Quirino, Baguio, Lipa, Bulacan. Kaya naman, meron tayong Iloilo at Cebu. Tanaw naman, Cagayan de Oro, Jensan, Davao, at Zamboanga. Ito naman yung mga digital partners natin abroad. Meron tayong Paris, Barcelona, Bahrain, Italy, Cyprus, Kuwait, Dubai, Qatar, Oman, USA, and Africa. Meron rin tayo sa Israel, Portugal, at Turkey, and Malta. And also, meron din tayo sa Asia. Meron tayong Singapore, Hong Kong, Taiwan, Japan, and Palau, at marami pang iba.